Hey everybody, Patty Ann here again today. I'm going to go over what a difference stabilizer makes. This is something that I embroidered. It came from Anita Good Design years and years ago, probably maybe 7, I'm not sure. And I did not have enough stabilizer under it. And I actually have 4 of these hanging on a wall in my home, and I thought it's about time I fixed this because look at all of the wrinkles in here, right? All I used when I did this was one piece of iron-on mesh stabilizer, and that was it. So let's see if we can get this to looking a little better for me to put this up on the wall again. Okay, I'm hoping you're going to be able to see this just on this little bit of a thing I did on the video. This was my first one, and did you see all that buckling right there? This is the one I just finished, and notice how smooth it is. Okay, it's very different. This has a lot of buckling down here by the feet, and this one basically has none. There's a little tiny bit back here by its butt, but basically this one is like way better than this one. As I said, on this one, all I used was one piece of fusible no-show mesh. On this one, I used 2 pieces of fusible no-show mesh, plus I floated a piece of tearaway. Now, when I say I floated it, that means after I had my hoop in here, then I stuck this sheet under it so the tearaway wasn't actually hooped. It was what they call floated underneath, which always kind of bothered me because when I think of something floating, I think of it being on top, but in this case, it's underneath. So anyway, you can see here what a difference stabilizers can make. The fabrics are just about identical in weight. Try to get them the same. They're not perfectly exactly the same, but the weight is the same. And this one I did do Terial Magic on the fabric too before I did it. I'm not sure if I did it on this one, but see the difference. I mean, it's pretty remarkable. That's why it's important to use your stabilizer wisely. Okay, you can see another one here that I'm getting ready to fix as well. Again, I will use the 2 pieces of no-show mesh fusible and a piece of tearaway that's floated underneath. So thanks so much for joining me, you guys. Hey, if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm still trying to get up to 70,000 subscribers. Also, check out my links down below if you're in the market to buy something. Again, thanks for joining me. Bye for now.